Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you guys for always stopping by. Thank you guys for supporting me. Thank you guys for your subscription. Thank you also for watching my videos. Guys, in today's video, I just want to show you and also teach some of you who don't know how to wash using hands. I want to show you how I normally wash my baby's clothes. I prefer wash them with my own hands than putting them in the machine because I don't really trust the machine the way it washes the clothes. Yes, that's just my opinion because some may say no, maybe their machines are good, my machines are bad. Otherwise, this is how I just love to wash my baby's clothes. I just want to focus. I know where the areas where the baby's clothes are dirty, more especially on the chest, with the salivas, maybe with the vomiting. So I have to focus mostly on those parts. I really have to wash it. There you have to wash it, make sure they are looking good, they are smelling good. I have to wash from the inside and also from the outside. And I have to make sure that all the detergent is out to avoid the rashes on the baby. So I have to make sure that I wash it nicely, and I really have to wash it, make sure that it smells good and all the fabric, the softeners is completely out. All the chemicals are out of the baby's clothes. So guys, watch me as I wash my baby's clothes. You will learn something from it. I know that it's not everyone who knows how to wash it like this, and it's not everyone who would love to wash their clothes, their baby's clothes, or their clothes like this. Or there are some who also love to learn how to do this. It's really good, and it's part of exercise. So watch, guys. Watch to the end. Just watch. See how I do it. And the part where I'll be rinsing these clothes, you will see how I rinse them and everything. So keep watching, guys. Kindly like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to share. We are going slowly but surely. Thank you guys for your support. I really appreciate. So now I've finished washing all the clothes. It's now time to rinse them. I have to clean the tub where the one I'm using. I have to clean it, put clean water, clean my hands, take all the detergent out so that I have clean water to rinse the clothes. I have to make sure that they are clean. All the detergent is out. So guys, watch me as I rinse my baby's clothes. Let's do this together. I know you will learn something from it. It's not everybody who knows how to do this. So for those who would want to learn, would love to learn, watch this video till to the end as I rinse my baby's clothes. Make sure they are nice, clean, and they smell so good. Watch, guys. guys, I'm done rinsing all the clothes. They are clean, they are smelling good, all the detergent is out. I have to make sure all is out. So now I'm putting them to dry. They are looking beautiful, shiny, they are white, and they are really smelling good, guys. You can see how nice they look. They are so bright, they are white, wonderful. Just look how nice they are. Thanks guys for watching. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks. Bye bye.